a TG.
And shine here with another big bang. You know that I like food, yeah, I like food, yeah, I like food. I appreciate all the time we spend, all the things we share, all the love we know. But you got me pulling my hair out, pulling my hair out. So much that I gotta cut it out, so much that I gotta cut it out.
People, welcome back to the vlog. So people, today is Sunday. I get something consume. But I would say eat.
So wrong with the word.
Because you know the society and all that.
Society need to shape your future.
No
Don't
society
the
can shape
JUTC and then the slap way.
Society can't shape my future.
That's why you have anxiety issues, huh?
No, bro.
Because you're afraid of people.
I'm not afraid of people, I'm not like people. That's a two different things.
You're afraid of them.
I avoid situations because I'm not like
That. See, you
people.
see, you get antsy. You see, you
And
get
I get
antsy.
antsy.
Yeah,
I
you
don't
get
like
antsy.
people
You see, me tell us,
naturally.
no. Me's a perfect
Because
interview, you know.
me and
Area.
people don't get along.
That is very annoying.
No, but everybody know me.
Brother,
I like people.
for be real now.
Try.
Because, but people, when people not doing nothing.
Because
Yeah,
I'm
you
not
are the
like
problem.
man.
Are you the problem, brother? Are you the
Well,
problem?
Let me be the problem.
You're the problem.
It's me.
You're the-
Hi, I'm the problem.
It's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me.
I get something to eat now. I don't know which probably I go. I'm kind of bad idea.
That is the
More
singer.
than likely, we'll go
Listen, them rap Beryllium, JN, Homo Bites. Yep.
one off. This one.
First robbery.
And
So we're here at Sovereign Village.
and
Shans,
the
brother.
foolishness, yeah, I'll go on like this too. People, driving give me so much anxiety.
Brother, everything give anxiety. Every backside thing give anxiety. You have an anxiety issue, brother? Want you?
So
Just
what?
so you go buy food, you have anxiety
Because
problem.
me eat
Brother, people not like you.
You not stop asshole. So you not see me at turn. Me eat driving in Jamaica. I've never experienced it anywhere else.
Me say you're one of them people there. Whenever I drive nowhere, it's about Jamaica, right? But when I eat driving in Jamaica, or is it overseas? Things better overseas, brother. At the same.
Driving is just so much. You feel tired after you come off the road. You're tired when you're up on the road. But you can't bother go in a taxi either. Our boss. And this. Why when we come and drive throughs? When it's empty now, when it's empty. We have to wait a million and odd hours just to talk to one person. And then when you do reach up at the top of the line, they might take forever to answer you. Wendy's do it.
Tasty's do it.
Tasty's was
Burger
do it.
King do it.
KFC
Burger
infamous for it. Burger
King.
King bad and not so bad.
They're not that bad.
But
Them
come
are-
on, man, KFC is the worst with it. And all of a sudden, Wendy's take it up. Cause Wendy's records them used to put it on. Anyways, hello.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Can I have a Asiago? Not the combo, just the sandwich.
That's it.
And then I want one with the combo.
Flavor drink.
What you have? Mango? You have mango peach?
Yes, we do.
Give me a mango peach with that one.
Order complete.
Yeah.
So one combo, one sandwich, only 2,780.
Alright.
I done record now.
So if it's
Girl, I roll up in my markets. Yet me I give them
That is not
regardless
going here.
that I go in at the vlog car. Everything mad. Girl, them love me like the Trinidad flag. Yeah, you know me straight TG and a fag. Yeah, Chani, you want the Louis bag. Yeah, you know my style. Care about my ear, you know my style. Go up on Instagram, check out my file. Wendy's cooking from a mile. And I over Scotia, the man them rob the bank. Take the ATM money, shoot up the 20. Everybody drop down dead. I'm gonna give up F. Yeah. Big up to my mom, family, everybody.
You know you have
shout out to everybody, you know. Made it possible, Shanique. Big up yourself, my kids. I want to say hello to my ancestors. Yeah, I'll see you when I get there. That's a wrap. You hear that? Look how long will they wait for some little steel. Some little steel.
Oh, man. Purr.
Keep them. Take mayonnaise. Put a mayonnaise right there. One tall back mayonnaise.
490. And the sandwich with the combo 1490. So yeah.
The juice.
Fries and the juice are 2 bills. So the sandwich alone cost 1,002.
So sandwich are the more thing.
That's crazy.
That's sandwich for you.
Alright, sorry.
Better take that out. Conversation.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it out.
Crazy serious.
Alright. Why them always a bun up the bacon?
It's not a bacon either, eh? And I'm
This
modesting
big
this.
slice of lettuce.
I'm modesting this we get that please.
I see I got the best sandwich them all still. And you know said I see I got the cheese. The cheese name I see I got.
I'm gonna have to have them.
Because my order them fish sandwich already. And I ordered that I say I got cheese with him. And cheese good.
The fries don't taste like cardboard.
Today? Taste one.
Probably quite hot.
I don't know. Just haven't been feeling for fries.
This was never the plan, guys. And just coming to get ice cream and she
End up in a this.
coming in this boat. The girl asked, you want to put inside of that? Yeah. Which one you like that put up on the spot? You know, so that shaming to kill it. This wasn't the vibe. But first thing, them put ants in my water. Ants in my water, guys. And that's the first step that is bad. So let's see what's gonna go good after this.
Oh. The menu is
One of these places that is can be food. Guys, this is the regular tacos. Nachos. Tacos. I'm gonna give it a taste. But this look like rubbish.
so them never have from here.
Tatuawe. Guys, this is rubbish. And Shani failed again at selecting place we eat. She need to stop. Yes. Ice cream comfort. And look at it. Like picking them play up or something. So these are my highlight, guys.
Till when?
Till Tuesday. The worst ever. Yo, I'm telling you this. That's why I'm a youth to just stick to when I know. See that. Because you see this brother trying new things. I don't know new things, but brother, it never go. I mean, I always get upset. Why is this place can't be consistent with them things?
It's not there.
Yo,
I don't like it. I don't like the cooking. Anyways, let me take my pill. My pill. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You have to say that out. The pill we have it. don't know what.
Starbucks, get it right. A TG Lakeside there, not TJ.
Oh.
And if it's Shan with a C.
Well, that part they can give and take with the
Yeah,
sand.
but come back. We said TG. And I said, you assume neighboring to a TG. You know that? No.
I do think you meant it right. I do think you meant it right. But then
No one is
when
gonna
you
write
said
the law.
you realize it rocks.